Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am happy to have you here. And in today's video, as I promised you in the previous video, I showed you how to prepare the soursop in an efficient way. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to mix the soursop two ways. Okay, so let's get into the video. And here's the soursop that I was working with. You mix the soursop, mix it up, and then I'm gonna be dividing this into, so in this container I'm going to mix the one with milk, and this one, the one with lime.
So as you can see guys, it's pretty thick and you don't want it, so this is the one with milk. So yeah, so I'll pour the one with milk here. Actually, let me just pour it in. Okay, so I'll pour some water in this one because we want to make it a bit runny.
It's all up to you how thick you want your soursop. Okay, so the one with lime, I don't want it too thick, so I would just pour that much water. So maybe half cup or 3/4 cup, the one with the lime. Anywhere between a quarter, anywhere between half cup to 1 cup of water would do good with the soursop, depending on how thick you want your soursop. So this one I'm gonna be putting the milk in this one. So there I have my lime. Okay guys, I'm just gonna be like straining everything so that at the end I don't have to worry about straining. This is the one with the lime, and then I'm gonna be putting sugar. And so guys, you could also mix the soursop to with, like, put it in a blender and put like banana instead of sugar. Like it's up to you, but I'm just showing you the traditional way of how we do it. So with that much soursop, I think this amount of sugar is enough. Okay. And some people would rather sweeten the one with lime with, I think, with the white sugar, because what they're saying is that the brown sugar changes the color of the soursop. But I don't see much of a difference using the brown sugar, and I like to use the brown sugar because the brown sugar is healthier. Yeah, so we have our sugar here and lime in this container. There it is, guys. As well as you could, if you could also put it in a blender and blend it up. But this is the way we would do it basically. What you're trying to do is combine the mixture. You're trying to combine all the ingredients, so you get a good mix. You get the sugar to dissolve. Okay guys, so if this is too thick for you, that with the in terms of the one with the lime and sugar, you could also you could always add water. But as I showed you, that I did not throw away the soursop pulp that was remaining. I did not throw away the pulp. I threw water on it, and this water I'm gonna be drinking it. Okay, this water, I'm gonna be drinking it because you don't want anything to go to waste. Okay guys, there you go. And I think the sugar is fully dissolved in this. So we have your lime and sugar, brown sugar. And this is the sugar I chose to use, the cane sugar. I like the sugar. Okay, so here we have the soursop with that we're gonna put the milk in. It's a bit thicker, as well as it could be. I could have put less water. Well, that's my preference. I like it thick, but I think that's okay. That's not too much water. And then here I'm gonna be using the condensed milk. Yeah, this is my preference, the condensed milk. Okay. So guys, as I said, the condensed milk, like, the choice is yours. If you would rather have a spoonful of condensed milk, by all means, the choice is yours. The soursop is good enough. You don't need too much sweetener in your soursop, because not everybody takes a lot of sweetener in. So as I said, the choice is yours. However, how much milk or sugar you would rather have in your soursop. The most important thing is that you, as I showed you in the video before this one, the idea is to get the seed away from the pulp, to extract, right? And then you have your soursop, somewhat nectar looking. Okay, so I'm going in with vanilla. So I'm gonna put just a drop of vanilla here. If you're using a measuring spoon, I think like a quarter teaspoon, or yeah, is good enough. And then some people would wanna, in the one with the milk, some people would rather have a tip of salt in it. They say to bring out the flavor, but I'm not gonna be adding salt to this. So I'm gonna be putting some nutmeg onto this. Yeah, the choice is yours. If you would like to add salt, fine, by all means. Just a pinch of salt could go with it. And some people would also, or Jamaicans, I would say, would also like to add a bit of rum to it, white rum. But I don't like white rum. So preferably men would want to add white rum to theirs. And sometimes like Jamaicans would put in their soursop, I think, like a supplegen mix in it. But what I'm trying to achieve here, what I'm trying to get you to see is that the soursop, in order to, we're talking about soursop here, right? So we don't want to mix it with other things to take away, what is it, the full taste of the soursop. So I'm not going to be mixing it with supplegen or anything else. This is the way you would prepare the soursop normally. You have your milk, nutmeg, vanilla, maybe a pinch of salt, and then or sugar and lime. And that's basically it, guys. Oh, I didn't taste. Let me taste. Yeah, that's perfect. You don't need it too sweet. You could always add if it's not too sweet. You could put the amount that I put, as well as you could put less. Okay, and then we're gonna top it off with ice. So here I have ice here. Oh, sorry. I have some frozen ice here that I in the what do you call this? The popsicle cube. Okay. There you go, topped with ice. And what I did, guys, to make life much easier for me, as you noticed, I put the lime through the strainer so that I don't have to worry about straining at the end. So that's the one with sugar and lime. You could have your mix also to go. So I'm pouring it into a bottle for you to see. You could have it to go, as well as you could just make a drink that you can have right away. I should have gotten another container with a spout, but it's okay. And there you go, we have our soursop to go. So guys, as I said, the soursop, it's really good for you, and I really like I really love soursop. And my favorite drink is the one with the milk. I prefer the one with the milk, the vanilla, and the nutmeg. And it depends. Like on a hot day, maybe I would rather have the one with the lime and sugar. Yeah, the one with lime and sugar on a hot day, like in summer. There you go, we have our soursop. Soursop with milk and nutmeg, vanilla. And here we have our soursop with lime or sugar. So I'm just trying to show you that there's two ways to go about mixing it, and it's the choice is yours. However is it that you would enjoy it. Try the recipe, guys. Try it. Like, as I say, it's healthy. It's not. Also want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, all my subscribers, and for those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. And thank you. Thanks again. Give the video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. The reason being, when the bell is turned on, you'll be notified when a video is being uploaded. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.